Have you ever felt stuck while preparing a job application? Your resume is in one file, certificates are scattered in different folders, and nothing feels properly organized or professional. Today, I'm going to show you how you can manage your entire job application workflow using one simple tool, from creating resumes to editing PDFs, converting files, scanning documents, and even using AI to improve your applications. Everything is in one place. Let's dive in. First, open your system and launch PDFelement after installation. Once it opens, you'll see a clean and simple dashboard where everything is clearly organized. You get options for PDF editing, conversion tools, templates, scanning, and AI features all in one place. No confusion, no complicated setup, just a ready-to-use workspace. Now, let's start with a real-life scenario. Imagine you are applying for a job. You have your resume in Word format, your certificates as scanned images, and your cover letter saved separately. Now, the problem starts. Different formats, messy files, and nothing looks consistent when you try to submit. Instead of focusing on your job application, you end up wasting time fixing documents. This is exactly where PDFelement makes things simple. Instead of starting from zero, you can use ready-made resume templates. You can open your resume directly as a PDF and edit it like a normal document. Update your experience, improve your skills section, or adjust formatting without breaking the layout. Everything stays clean, structured, and professional. Now let's say your resume is in Word format. With PDFelement, you can convert it into a properly formatted PDF in just a few clicks. And if you need changes later, you don't need to go back to Word again. You can directly edit the PDF itself. This removes extra steps and saves a lot of time. Now this is where things get really powerful. You can use AI to improve your resume content instantly. It helps you rewrite weak points, make your experience sound more professional, and optimize your profile for better opportunities. You can also paste a job description and get AI-based interview questions to practice. Even salary negotiation responses, application emails, and thank you messages can be generated in seconds. It feels like having a personal career assistant working with you. Now think about your printed documents, like certificates, transcripts, or forms. Instead of typing everything manually, you can simply scan them into PDFelement. And with OCR technology, scanned files become fully editable text. This means you can reuse old documents, update them, and organize everything digitally. Next step is organization. You can combine your resume, cover letter, certificates, and portfolio into a single organized PDF file. And if the file becomes too large, you can compress it for easy submission on job portals. Everything becomes clean, structured, and easy to manage.
Beyond the main workflow, there are a few more tools that make things even more efficient. You can annotate PDFs with highlights, comments, and notes, which is useful when reviewing documents or giving feedback. You can protect sensitive files with passwords so your personal information stays secure. There are page management tools where you can reorder, split, or delete pages without breaking the file. You also get batch processing, which allows you to convert or edit multiple files at once instead of doing everything one by one. Cloud integration helps you access your documents from anywhere without carrying files on a single device. These small but powerful features make the entire system more flexible and professional.
Before sending applications, many companies require signed documents. With PDFelement, you can add your digital signature in seconds. Offer letters, onboarding forms, or application documents can all be signed without printing anything. Everything stays fast and paperless, from creating your resume to organizing documents to submitting applications. Everything happens in one place. No stress, no messy files, no wasted time. Just a smooth and professional workflow for job applications. If you want to save time and make your job applications more professional and organized, PDFelement gives you everything in one simple tool. You can try it out. Link is in the description.